uyena wasukela mina yabo. So we were at Mall of Africa.
Okay.
Yabo. I was with my mom for...
And as a young couple, we must create our memories.
But not by...
I could see every week. Now every week. Not every week. Like, funu kuluma nayo, like, yabo, sibe na conversation yana yabo. Yeah, sifikile. Nakhona lapha sifikile.
Yeah.
But for me, it be bore. It be bore because I enjoy.
Yeah.
Enjoy mix. So, ben controlwa imizwa.
And I get kumfana all straight ungafaka amacici both sides. Yabo.
Amapantsula.
Hawu.
Amapantsula bazibafake nalawa amakhulu wangathi awusi.
Mara lawa
Sanibonani babukele emakhaya lona okhulumayo umfana omnyama olandelwa indlela zokukhanya under the company iMepo Media. Nginomfowethu lapha ethe backstage uSihle noSiyabonga lead CM. Namhlanje nginezithandani zethu into engajwayelekile kodwa ke sizoyijwayela nathi. Bazosichaza sanibonani.
yabo.
Niyaphila.
Siyaphila.
Angazi iqale ngapha noma ngiqale kuphi. Qale ngapha. Uyena umama lo. Ladies first. Ladies first. Okay, akasichazela igama lakhe bese nawe futhi kuzoba njalo ngakuwe.
Mina igama lami Sithembiso. Qhamuka eKatlehong.
Sithembiso from Katlehong.
Sitherere. Sitheshwa abantwana.
Igama lami Mvuyo. Qhamuka
Western area. So
Uvuyo bengikhuluma nawe ne?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
So njengoba ngathi ngiqhelelene sona nihlangane kanjani?
Sihlangane nje imoli.
Emoli. Yeah. Ubani waba attracted komunye?
Obviously.
Wafethu. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Uyena waba attracted ku?
Uyena wasukela mina yabo. So we were at Mall of Africa.
Okay.
Yabo. I was with my mom for shopping, so ngabona yena, then angicifeli lihle yabo. Aze ngamphendula. Then ngahamba with my mom to ukuyodla. Then he followed us. Adla next to the same desk at school yabo. So he was busy looking at me and being comfortable. Ngaphakama, excuse me, to a toilet. Then he followed me. Masifika there wacela inamba yabo. From there sachet again.
Deep most lento len.
Ukuye wakhe toilet bekukumnika ithuba what?
On that same day.
Bengifuna ukuthi yabo aziki makhulu because ngibonile ukuthi he was scared because of my mom.
Now you were scared. You were not comfortable now. So kahle now be attracted kuye.
Manje ngafuna ukukhombisa obvious.
Ngithini kimi. So wena mfethu iliblo loqozi noma isiphi lesipini sokuthi umlandele noma saka toilet azange mhlawumbe uthi ukuthi uzothena back to you mhlawumbe scream or what?
No, angicabanganga lezo phela. Bengicontrolwa imizwa. Ngibone sengilapha nje.
Yeah,
sengilandela.
So azange kupha ama excuses ukuthi akuphi number.
Nah.
Okay, yeah. Then ke Vuyo ukhulele eValley, eWestern area ne. Ubukhula kanjani nje? Sukela ukhula.
Bengihlala nomamami.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Bengahlala nobabami. Ubabami uhlala istrato semuva yabo. So, bebengazwani so mina ngihlala nomamami.
Oh. Wafunda khona
ngifunda khona eBekestali senior secondary.
But wena nobaba benzwana?
Yeah, mina nobaba besizwana but umama yena
So both of them they're still alive?
Yeah.
Okay. Wena ukwakhe background yakho?
Mina ngikhulele vele eKatlehong.
K1.
Yeah. I went to primary yami in Tshwagana Primary School, then high school yami ngayifundela in eThokoza, which is eThukuthawe Secondary School yabo. I live with both of abazali bami. Yeah.
So khona into engifuna ukuyibuza la. Angicabanga ukuthi besingakayiqedile itopic le iba interesting kancane yokuthi wakulandela. So wena mase ubuyela there back to kuma wakho cause bahamba noma wakho. Like kube njani kuwe? Wena wena ukudla noma bengakafiki ukudla.
Ukudla kwami benginga odanga bengihleli nje.
Ubheke yena.
Yeah, bengimile opportunity.
Should ngabe ungayithola ngibuzwe kanjani?
Obvious bengizomsearch.
Ngoba wazi igama lakhe.
Bengizomthola obvious bakhona abantu abamaziyo.
So wena mase ubuyela etafuleni uzizwa bofila kanjani cause uthe bongafeel comfortable.
So yabo mina when I ngiya back to etafuleni he was besangithextile yabo angibuza ukuthi ngihlala kuphi. I told him ukuthi ngihlala in eKatlehong. Ngibuza ukuthi yena uhlala kuphi. Washo ukuthi he's in Western area yabo. Wathi akhona ama chances ukuthi ngisale after this meal yabo. Then ngasho ukuthi anye ngize ngikhona ukusala yabo. We can make it ngelinye ilanga. Then I went back home nomama masifika angitexta asho ukuthi ucela uhlangana nami yabo. Ngamtshela ukuthi today ngiyangikwazi ngikhathele yabo. Then we make it to next week. Then next week sihlangana wacela ukuhlangana nami wangibuza ukuthi iphi more like engiseduze naye. Ngathi mina it's Semtulo wathi akayazi athi enye. Then I said how about maybe if hlangana in Southgate. Ngambuza ukuthi uyazi. Then he was like yeah we met there eSamse Southgate lapho sacala ukutholana in Southgate.
So wena why bofuna sale on the first time mfethu? Uyaqala ukumbona sofuna sale?
Bengifuna ukukhuluma naye like yabo sibe ne conversation yana yabo.
Wena kahle ispark abanazo shothi saba over ngiyaqala ukuyibona kena le. Ngiyaqala ukuyibona hey. So how was your second meetup?
So second meetup yethu it was indoors yabo. So we went indoors angibiza ekhaya kubo kuthi sizochilla. When we get there sabukela ama movies yabo. That was it.
So indoors mfethu wena so bachazelile ama parents uma wakho ukuthi khona umuntu ozoza noma umnyonyobisile?
Hayi umnyonyobisile obvious. Uma wezokhuluma so umnyonyobisile.
So noma sephuma futhi azange kunakeke. You were comfortable wena?
Because he wanted me ukuthi ngibe straight acting yabo. So
kanjani abazi bazali bebengazi?
Bebengazi. But manje bayazi.
But umzala ngithi makhulu uyakubona ukuthi umuntu onjani. Yebo.
Ngazi ukuthi bebona kanjani.
So after ukwazi uma wakho ufile kanjani yena?
I can't say ukuthi ufile kanjani but yena uye bangitshela ukuthi nje uyangiaccepta esumntanakhe yabo. Angeke angilahle.
Wena obatshenile
yimi umtshelile. Hayi ubaba mina akazi.
Why ubatshena like because abanye baphila bafihla.
Into yenza ukuthi ngibatshele like I was tired of living hiding myself yabona. Hlezi actor straight. Like sometimes me young hater I think be busy live like ngiphila life fake life yamanga yabo. So I took a decision ukuthi mina ngiyamconfronta lo mama. Ngitshela ukuthi I'm gay and angibathanda amantombazana.
So wena impilo yakho yonke since ukhula akaze ujoin intombazana?
Ngeke ngajola nawo.
Yeah, we primary high school.
Primary na high school.
So how was that experience?
For me it bore. It bore because benga enjoy.
Yeah.
Benga enjoy mix. So
ama feelings abengekho.
Angisho bengenzela abazali ukuthi hayi umntana wami uhamba ne girlfriend.
But wena okay I understand this. So okay ngiyakuzwa ukuthi uma wakho wak-accepta lokho what about the family as a whole?
Yeah.
Or ifamily yakhabo mama
Yes.
yona yang-accepta.
Like I
Hayi
said.
bonke but abayazi bonke.
Oh.
But laba ngiclose nabo
Bayakwazi.
futhi bang-accepta.
So
Kubalekile ukuthi uwazise ifamily as a whole.
Kunzima.
Kunzima.
I'm not ready
Yeah.
ukuthi ngibazise bonke. But ngisho nabo abanye bayabona ku social media ukuthi mangiposta bayangibona. But basaba nokungibuza.
Mm.
so njengoba wena uthi babagagazi so baka find out how wena uzofila kanjani mhlambe noma uzothuka noma something like that.
Mina ngeke ngithuke ngizo-accepta i-decision le ayithatha ngizo-accepta nje. Khona at some point ngizoba hurt maybe make khuluma amazwi abuhlungu but ngizoba right. Naye uzoba right obvious.
Yeah.
It's kuphuma ukuthi yangilahla kanjani. Ayisengacceptile nje ngizophila yami life.
So ngesikhathi usadata ugirl ngeke nafika kule stage sokuthi maybe kiss nami.
Yeah, sifikile. Nakhona lapha yasifikile.
Yeah.
But but
Yeah. Khambini.
akufika angenjoyanga shem.
Ngixolani.
Ngenye indlela. Okay. So how you got to feel somehow nje. Mama bakathi kufikile nada
Phela that's where I found out ukuthi afana.
Awukho interested.
So wena Serere uke wa date nentombazane nawe.
Ngake ngazama yabo but I failed yabo. Be angwafili nama amantombazane at all yabo. I only date guys.
So nawe leyo nto leyo uqala ekukhuleni kwakho noma iqale mhlambe so high school.
Mina experience yami ukuthi I'm gay. Ngicale high school yabo. So I was going nabafana ba straight yabo. Those boys masamba nabo they were like samba sociala ama girls yabo. So there is that friend of mine because about my sexuality. So ngamtshela ukuthi mina I have a crush on this guy yabo. So athi
Kulezo scheme uhamba nazo.
You know what uzomtshela that guy yabo. So lo mfana loyo athi amtshela lo mfana loyo then you know I think makamtshela he was like okay uzogayizaka yabo nani. Then that guy wasn't ngaleyo mentality leyo ukuthi uzongayizaka. So through a relationship wakheja yabo. So then we started kissing sekuwuyo ngilandana sikaslami yabo.
Iqiniso vele ukuthi ama gays anemali.
Hayi wonke. But most
Mawufundile nje you will have money.
ngifundile vele.
So nani niyafuna ukuzibona nikulelo zinga lelo.
Akekho ungafuni. Ngiyafuna and I'll make sure ukuthi ngiyafika there.
Angeke umlahle uvuyo.
Angeke ngithanda.
So wena ke yo abazali bakho bona kwaba njani kubona?
So mina
Njoba uthi uhlala
nabo bonke.
So mina I didn't tell abazali bami ukuthi I was gay yabo. Uma wami owathola ukuthi I'm gay. So benginomama mami ehomeni lami yabo. Sikhuluma then ngamtshela ipassword ifone yami yabo. So the next day ngageza I went to school mangithi phone yami yilo bekumele ngishiye ngishiye charging so mama mafika ehomeni lami wathola phone yami wayivula. Then he went through ama ku gallery ama WhatsApp then abona ama pictures such yabo. Azange ngitshele next so all of those pictures was forwarded lo babami yabo. So mina mangibuya after school ngiyambona girl hlinile yabo. Ngambulisa vele ngambuza ukuthi right na then she was like yeah ngisharp athulile. Then I went out ngayothenga into ukuthi soyidla mangibuya athi bozo ngitshela nini ngabuza ukuthi bengizokutshela nini ukuthi gay yabo. Then ngathi ish ngambuza ukuthi ubone kanjani. So nami mangibamba ifone nami ngiyabona ukuthi yo angishiyangi kanje yabo. Afake lawo ma pictures lawo on my wallpaper lawa yabo. Then
Manuthi
ngaxolisa yabo ngasho ukuthi sorry bengikho ready ukuthi ngimtshele and she didn't tell me ukuthi yena sekamtshelile babami. So babami afika late actor as if ngathi umuntu right ngahamba ngaye romini lami then the next day athi ufuna ukukhuluma nami yabo.
So yazi nje wena vele ukuthi
bengazi because
Oh.
umama ngitshelanga mangifika endlini vele baba mangibuza athi angihlalise phansi atshela umama ukuthi sicela ukuthi ashiye sibe yi2 yabo mama maphuma ayirumini lami baba mina yathatha those things afaka on wallpaper yakhe then athi kimi ngahlala phansi saqondana so yabo athi kimi cela ukuthi hambe ngicheckele isikhathi efonini nami mangiphakama ngithi ngiyazazi lento and angengikwazi ukuphika because ne same blanket and that picture eyangale rumini lami yabo then angibuza ukuthi kwenzakalani ngawe ngasho ukuthi baba kwenzakalani ngani yabo angibuza ukuthi uyini ngathi mina ngumuntu athi unjani azange ngakhuluma ukuthi unjani then athi ucela ukuthi ngimvulele ifoni yami I was scared ukuyivula but ngayivula so I go through i-WhatsApp yami so that time I was using i-GP WhatsApp yabo so since I was using GP WhatsApp then ngenza lento lezo kuchange i-voice yabo then athi I'll keep it amasimba then mangithi ngikhipha lento leyo ngadelete i-Facebook na i-WhatsApp kwasala igalari and kugalari bese ngidelete yonke into then aqala ke angishaya yabo ukuthi wayenza lento lezi engizenzayo makangishaya so ngakhala umama wangena endlini mangena ngathola i-chance ukuthi ngithathe ifoni yami then ngaphuma ngahamba yabo ngajump ibonda ngahamba endlini so
wavuka ubunsizi
ngahamba azange ngiye kagokwami ngahamba for like I think for 2 days then angifonela babami yabo abuza ukuthi ngiphi cela ukuthi ngibuye ekhaya sizokhuluma about this thing then ngabuya because bengingasayina sesikoleni mangifika ekhaya then he was like wena nawe angaqedi ngawe yabo then wayeka like that yabo so manje bengiphila under ama pipe ukuthi yo if abone content yami novuyo ngizothini or if abantu bamkhombisa ngizothini yabo amara manje am ready even if angayibona angisena ndaba
ngobuyazi
so the time uhambile bewukuphi
I went to my other friend yabo ngamtshela ukuthi kile kwenzakalani endlini yabo so sicela ukuhlala la for 2 days or 3 days zobuye ngibuyele endlini kanti on i-second day baba muzongifonela nje ukuthi ngibuye
so wafila kanjani baba kuma kathi ubuye
I was happy yabo maybe thinking ukuthi uacceptile but sometimes into zakhe zinokumvuka because I remember the other time ngaposta isithombe sakavuyo on WhatsApp yabo and bengamhidanga then yena uwenze this thing ukuthi ama blue ticks angaveli yabo so I can't see ukuthi uviewile noma then makafika endlini yo afuna ukungikrinya ngibuza ukuthi yini le khona umngane omfana ongashoota like this yabo athi udelete lo dot then ngadelete that thing athi sizoxabana mina nawe yabo
namanje nisaxabana namanje
so yo manje akakayiboni content yami novuyo manje I don't know ukuthi makayibona uzoreact kanjani but I'm ready for i-reaction yakhe azoyenza
cause sekayazi vele ukuthi wena
uyazi but you don't wanna accept ukuthi what's going on
so in other ways kabovuyo kini uvuya bakam accept
the whole family yakithi yazi ukuthi amgende ba acceptile ne the only person onga acceptanga ubaba mina ngikho sure ukuthi uyazi about into yami novuyo or yabo but the whole family yazi ukuthi I'm dating with uvuyo yabo
so wena vuyo so introduce uSerere kini
umama uyazi uyamazi
so inkinga ukuthi uyena manje so mina introduce wena
obvious
ngizomintroduce yabo
mase kufika isikhathi
when the time is right so yinzilanga ngizomintroduce ngalo to my family
awucabanga ukuthi baba wakho mhlawumbe usayitshela ukuthi usengatshintsha
the thing is that yabo makafika later on because uhambe kuseni then abuye late makafika later on I have to check on them ukuthi ayikho into abayidingayo maybe isiphuza bazophuza idrink yabo then ngizoyishop so when afika I have to act straight yabo senibona njani even now I have to act straight ukuthi ngimenze I feel okay so manje I'm waiting for that day for ukuthi abone about i-content yami noLithapha
so is it true vele ukuthi lama signs la kenenza la asho ukuthi gay or what
mina ngokubona kwami ngibona ngathi iqiniso
uyithatha planta la uma abafana mosibazenze
cha ngayibona kwenye i-video lomjitha lo isidudla lo ngathi intombazana beka kuyi live nomunye umjitha so lo mjitha unentombi something like that no then lo mjitha lo igay wambuza ngathi wathi
Dominic.
yes
No.
wathi lama signs lanka awenza la emashini asho ukuthi gay so nami like ngifuna ukuconfirm lento leyo
mina ya ngokubona kwami ngibona ngathi ayiqiniso yabo and akekho umfana o straight ungafaka amacici both sides yabo
Amapantsula.
Hawu.
Amapantsula bazibafake nalawa amakhulu wangathi awu.
mara lawa amancane angiboni ukuthi khona umfana straight ungawafaka bona ukuthi ya
Okay.
he's trying to tell us
so nawuzizwa kahle monga yenzanga kahle
ngizizwa ngaphelelanga yabo
wakhala ukhaliswa yini noma yini ukuthanda ukwenzayo wena
both sides
mina mara I find it cute yabo mawenze both sides
yeah
should you have yourself you don't have a choice or nomboni njengomuntu omuhle
muhle ne but I both sides one side right ayikuthi ngiyamcontroller but one side
uzoyithobela indoda
ngathi akikho sure
ngizoyenza one side yabo
shaw
Yeah. So nina anogqoka ama weave neketi.
mina yabo for my side angikakafiki on that part yabo but I can wear a crop top
Crop top.
on that side ukuthi sikumele ngifake ama-weave igate angikakabi na that thing
Okay.
uyafisa ukumbona kulelo zinga
in crop top
afake ama-weave aphafile uright kanje
Hayi manje.
cha anginankinga ukuthi hayi manje but uyafisa nje ukumbona ukuthi mhlambe angaba njani
yeah phela mina ngiyayithanda igay proud you must be proud of yourself and proud of how you are
Ibaluleke ngani lento yokuthi ube igay uzositshela ukuthi uproud ukuthi ugay.
like i-confidence you mustn't let abantu ukuthi babe kujaja ne ungayiki ukuba gay maybe let's say so uyachinja ofaka impahla zabafana just because omunye umuntu uthukile or something yabo ube ne confidence ube more yabo
so in your relationship who is the most dramatic person
I was Thembisa
anginadrama mina ukuthi uvuya kafuni ukuyenza like izinto esisuke sivumelane ngazo yabo so that's why
kuya ngokuthi i-wrong or i-right so mina ngihamba nalezi ezi-right wena uhamba nalezi ezi-wrong
sho ukuthi
Yeah.
into wrong i-right e-right i-wrong kulesi situation enikuyo nini
into e-wrong i-right
into wrong i-right e-wrong i-right angithi usitherere uthi wena uthe usitherere dramatic then usitherere uthi wena ufuna ukwenza izinto ezi-right wena uphinde wathini wathi khona into ngeke uhambiselane nazo so yena uzibona zi-right wena uzibona zi-wrong
Njengaziphi?
aha
like over small things yabo uvuyo sometimes he used to ukuhamba nabangani bakhe we can't be saying this week bekaphumile yabo
Yeah.
next week nakhona ufuna ukuphuma again went to Ekurhuleni
Oh, uthanda ukugroove.
uyakushiya make group
sometimes yabo njalo makaya Ekurhuleni uyangitexta asho ukuthi ufuna ukuthi siye out yabo so ngiyamtshela ukuthi we can't be grooving like amaviki alandelana then ke sigcine sicabana just because of leyo nto leyo ukuthi yena he wants to ukuya Ekurhuleni amaviki alandelana
mara as a couple we must create and as a young couple we must create ama-memories
but not by ukuya
hayi
Ekurhuleni.
ukuthi every week nawe ungayenzi every week not every week when every week yakho i-2 weeks
yeah yo
Yini emnandi egrooving Sithembi wena?
like mina music heals me especially when I'm around people yabo
Yeah.
abantu abaningi ngilibala ngento eningi ish
so ba comfortable maka i-grooving yedwa
no
Uyam-
angibe comfortable sham to be honest yabo
yini oneyikandala
beside lokho yo na uyambona nje
Vuyo yini icabanga ukuthi imenza angabi comfortable uyaziphatha nje ke wena kahle Mose Groovin are you sure about that
I'm sure phela ngiyela ukuphuza lapha ya
so akaze kwenzeka ukuthi use Groovin ubone isivuke ispark esavuka use Mall of Africa
asidluli lesi
kodwa kuye kwenzeka
obviously
then how you reacted
uyabona
uyabuka
ngiyazitshela ukuthi nginomuntu and ngishiya umuntu I can't do this to him.
so you are not cheating
I'm not and I won't.
How do you feel uzola amagama lawo
very happy ngiza futhi ukuthi ngimtrust
uyamtrust ane
kakhulu
so ubu dramatic benu mase khona one drama ni solve kanjani leyo drama cause khona lento leyo ukuthi zokhiphela ubudoda bami ni solve kanjani ubani ogcina thoba ubani ogcina xolisa even a wrong or even angekho wrong
the thing is that mina nginepride yabo yo so he's the one oqine axolisa
noma ku wrong
uyogcina xolisa
so leyo nto acabanga ukuthi maybe in a long run izo affect relationship yakho naye
I don't think so cause most of isikhathi side yabo nami nokubuye ngixolise kuye if ngibona ukuthi na manje sekudlulele
cause angithi bathi musathanda uyabekezela kodwa luba lunye usuku la ungeke usabekezela khona
I don't think ukuthi lizofika lo suku lolo yabo
uzombekezelela Vuyo
Yeah, ayishi ngiyamthanda.
Wow
cause
uthando
Eh.
uthando ngiyangichaza ngoba niyayigcizelela indaba yothando ukuthi uyamthanda awuzenzisi naye akazenzisi
So ngesikhathi umbona uNtwana bochazwa yini
Buhle bakhe and
yeah
ama lips nakhona
ama lips akwenzani mfethu before you continue
ama lips wakhe ish ngithanda the way epinki ngakhona and they are so juicy yeah
juicy manje toilet azange ngiqabule
Aish. No
azange kufike lokho
we didn't kiss
azange nawo
azange yena beka muhle yabo uyila wangichaza ngilengazama nami ukusiqinisa ukuthi ngazacabanga ukuthi easy target I just gave him a number then ngamshiya walandela after mina
so wena makhuluma ngama juicy lips how was your first kiss in bukele Netflix
ibisibukele nayo le Netflix
ha
oh benibhizi
obvious sibukele half
okay
movie so
yeah
so how wena first kiss yakho noVuyo benjani
be grand yabo but ish being disappointed ukuthi yo bengafuni ukuthi ngibe busy with him nge second meetup yethu so I was disappointed at myself
you were disappointed in yourself but ukuthandile okwenzakalile
kona ngithandile but ish yo bengina that thing ukuthi yo nge second meetup
ngiyashesha mase
kanani nenza njengamacheru ukuthi nilibele nidrayiselana
na you need to qhoma ngawe yabo
mara niyadrayisa yo
kumele
wakutrayisela azange kuphi should noma ufuna ukumqabula on that second meetup kwaba inkingi
hayi
akuzange kube inkinga yabo because we were chilling there sibukile Netflix yabo so obvious njengoba besibukene bekahleli so then apparently with the headboard then bengiphakathi kwakhe ngapha yabo then he was busy kissing me isiphongo then ngajika yabo
so who is naughty between you two guys
Wilo he's the one on note yabo because even if uhleli nje kanqini ukuvela fake such things ku TV
Shothi namanje ngaqabula silokuhlela la.
Awu.
Ungakwenza lokho Vuyo?
Hayi phambi kwabantu.
Okay, ngicela ukubuza ke ukuthi before uzohlangana noSithembiso bongadate.
Bengijola ne but umjolo wakho ne ukuze ngibe official noSithembiso umjolo wakho ne complicated.
Complicated.
Bethi ba on and off. Nakhona besiphendulana umunye nomunye uphendula ngesikhathi sakhe. Besithatha na 2 weeks. So after 2 weeks.
Yeah.
So
ndahluka.
Ngathola uSithembiso wami.
Yeah.
Sithembiso wakho wow.
So wena Sithembiso bo usingile bekhona.
To be honest yabo bengekho single the time ngihlangana naye uVuyo. Naye bekayazi that thing ukuthi I was not single yabo. So bengithi like bisoba abangani bengacabanga ukuthi into yami noVuyo izokuyibe serious kanje yabo. So for me ukuthi ngithi noVuyo ngajike omnye umntana. And futhi beside lokho naye he was not loyal to me yabo. So that's why I decided ukuthi hayi singiqale nomunye.
Unzima ngestina. Unzima ngestina. So leyo relationship kwaba njani?
So yabo the time nanoVuyo sicela ukuthandana yabo sachetha I didn't like tell that guy maybe like 2 weeks or 3 weeks sengihlangana na noVuyo ngalahla that guy after 2 months sengithandane noVuyo then ngabona ukuthi hayi ngathi nomfana serious yabo ngashiya lo ya
Shothi kahle kahle bofuna ukucompare la ukuthi yini ezoyenzeka.
So like cause ngesikhathi uyilo wangibuza ukuthi so manje uthina about our thing ngamtshela ukuthi I can only give into a chance only in conditions yabo. Firstly mina I want umuntu decent onomthetho yabo. I can't be dating someone onginamthetho yabo. Then he was like that's meant to figure emaphethelweni ke amuphi chance.
So lo mjitha loyo manje relationship yakho na injani? Niyazondana or ifok?
Like he's okay yabo because I blocked him go WhatsApp yabo but he's busy texting me on Facebook. So ngagcina ngimbone sebamblockile because uVuyo have a Facebook account and I also have his Facebook account.
So wena bafo wafila kanjani ukubona leyo nto le?
Iphi
Le go Facebook account.
Kuthi lo muntu uyamtext. Like I was happy at the same time being knocked out yabo. Ukuthi what if uyamphendula then delete my message. So ngamblock.
So wamazisa umblock.
Uzibonele.
So kahle kahle nina ni free amafoni wenu omunye nomunye ngayisebenzisa ifoni yakho na ayisebenzisa noma ikhala unalo loqozo ukuthi ibambe baby.
Ayikazi yakhala phambi kwakhe but makafuna something uyathatha or we can even watch a TikTok with my phone.
Oh kahle kahle uyayazi password yakhe na yazi password yakhe. They are so loyal
Hey.
Ini loyal mos. Ayibo. Kuyaqala musu kwenzeka lozo.
And then I was shocked ukuthi ayibo khambeni lo mfana unyenzeni bandla. Because I'd never thought ukuthi ngizokhe ngiphe umunye umuntu Facebook account yami, password Facebook account yami. But ke unfortunately kwayenzeka.
Yeah. So since ke nina ke ni gay. I-bullying esikoleni ngikaze nithole or emphakathini wenu enku
Obvious ikhona.
Yeah.
Both esikoleni nasemphakathini.
Yeah.
Mari it's not that much. But esikoleni iningi because there are those boys abangahambelani nobugay,
homophobic.
Vele bakubuza ukuthi nje why? Agrasa lo muntu why are you gay? Vele umbuza ukuthi wena why are you straight? Why ungazikhethela ukuba gay if you are concerned? That's my answer.
Mina shema esikoleni ngesikhathi ngisaqala yabo ukufika. So bebangibullisha yabo because mangicela ufika on go high school ngile nga-actor as umuntu straight yabo. I dated the other girl, so ngakissa with that girl in front of wonke umuntu eklasini. So bascreama yabo, they were like, you are isiphethe son. So mangifika grade 9 ngaqala ngabakhombisa ukuthi mina I'm gay. Then the following year kanjalo yabo. So manje like bang-acceptile even if maybe ngiye-tech shop yabo, abafana banokuthi son nasilesi yabo nje. Abasangibhulishe right now esikoleni.
Then khona la bakushela ebusuku after 9.
Mini baningi futhi esikoleni yo.
Kenzeka
Baningi same class.
kodwa masekafika esikolweni nenza ngathi ayikho le.
Masekafika esikoleni akangibuki ngisho kungibuka manje ngoba mina ke ngiyayiphaphela yabo. And especially maybe masekufika isikhathi sokuthi is-present nalabo bafana laba phaphayo yabo abanokuthi son nasilesi yabo. Bengithi ngizokhipha ezakho wena indaba then athule.
Manje wena Vuyo experience nayo le nto after 9.
Yeah, baningi.
Jo
Futhi esigela.
amajita nakhona.
Obvious.
Yo. So akekho ugelo ke wayeza kuwakushela wena.
Baningi nasesigela.
Abogeli straight. Yo,
Banokungibuza futhi ukuthi why am I gay? Like I'm too handsome to be gay.
echaze. Achaze kusithere. So bafethu yini oyibona ngathi iyo right noma uzizwa kanjani? Yini oyizwa ukuthi usithere uyakuthanda?
Ama action.
Yes.
Like mangifuna ukuthi sihlangane umika show ukuthi vele ngiyohlangana nomuntu wami. Nanoma ngingamsendelanga imali, makithi ake nayo imali, unokuyicela na uma makhe. Ngama reasons akekho sometimes.
We shy cash send.
Yeah, obvious.
Imama mina uspoile vele.
Ish.
Uyaspoileka ngendlela right.
Yeah, ngiphethe kahle shama.
Jo,
Yazama.
jo. So mangathiwa nje uyahlukana naye.
Ngiziboni nje ngihlukana nayo. Mina ngibelieve in this thing ukuthi you fight for what you love yabo. And yo angeke ngize ngihlukane noVuyo. Iyangithanda nami ngiyamthanda.
So kahle awunayo room for disappointment.
Anginayo.
Into yalabantu straight mos.
Yeah, straight njengerula.
Irula.
Kanjalo.
Yo.
Yeah.
Ngiyaqala ukuyibona into kanje mina. So ebusuku ubani oba umama? Ubani oba ubaba?
Like yabo on relationship yethu yabo. Mina I'm verse and like he's also a verse yabo. But I act as a bottom through a relationship when it comes to that thing yabo.
Iverse ukuthi
We are both.
oh
So when it comes to that thing, we are both yabo doing that. Whether in a relationship, I am become a bottom yabo. I act as a okay.
so vele into umthetho wenu vele ukuthi wena uyibottom wena.
Yeah, good relationship. Then when it comes to sexual things, we both be verse. And I was not a verse yabo. Bengi bottom. But just because of ukuthi his verse yabo, and sakhuluma ukuthi for him ukuthi anyekaze out yabo, he wants me ukuthi ngibe verse. So yo even nje ukuthi
Iyenzeka leyo.
it was hard. Bengacabanga ukuthi ngizoke ngiyenze, but just because of ngiyamthanda I did that. Yabo.
Mfana.
Serious. Give me.
So
uDominic abe iverse.
Isangayenzeka, you'll never know. Maybe mangathola umuntu vela amthanda kamampela, uthola ukuthi lo muntu lo iverse ndakafuna ukuthi aphume. He can be a verse for him.
So wena uyayithanda iverse or uyithandiswa ngoba uVuyo?
Bengingayithandi yabo, but now singiyaqala uku-enjoy just because of ngiyenza nomuntu engimthandayo yabo. So yeah.
Kuba nalawo ma feelings.
So manenza le nto, do you use condoms none?
So I and uVuyo yabo ngesikhathi siqala we used i-protection yabo, mara because of bengingamthembi yabo ukuthi umuntu omuhle so angaba loyal to me. So the day athe ucela ukuthi ngize kubo yabo, so I went kubo nama HIV testing ngamtshelanga. So before kuzoyenzakala that thing ngathi I think ngikhohlwa something on ibhegini yami yabo, because naye beyangasayifuni i-protection. Then makathi what's that, ngathi ngisacela ukuthi ngidlulisele yona, makanginikeza ibhegi yami ngakhipha ama-HIV test and he didn't have a problem. Then satestana, he tested me, ngamtesta, then sathola ukuthi si-negative so then kulapho-ke ngamtrusta, we no longer use i-protection.
Eish, yeah, ne.
So like this thing ayikho buhlungu
Ebuhlungu. What?
Inakho buhlungu.
Ukeva nomfana like akho buhlungu.
Buhlungu futhi mnandi. Yeah. Uzothi ukhalelani into imnandi.
So nawe njengoba uthi ivesi most ongakuye you enjoy more or you enjoy less?
Like ngiyamfila yabo, so yeah, ngiya-enjoy even though awuphethe shame.
Uphetheni?
Mlakala.
Awubuyo madoda, yika ngikahambe, yika lo. Yo, I get you guys. So from now, maybe in a space of 5 years, ngifuna ukubona relationship yenu.
Mina shame yabo. I know ukuthi we are still young yabo. Ukuthi singakhuluma about indaba zokuthi singaba get married yabo. Sake sakhuluma about that thing. Yena bekafuna ukuthi senze that thing on our second anniversary, which is since 2 years, 15 December.
So 2 years.
15
December
16. So yabo yena bekafuna ukuthi siye yabo a court yabo for ukuthi shade. So ngamtshela ukuthi I don't think ukuthi ngi-ready for that thing, because yabo ngifuna ucela ngiqede esikolweni and go to a university. Maybe after sesisebenza we can do that.
So ufuna grade bani wena?
I don't know na ukuba specific about the criteria yabo, but ngida
Batshela ukuthi uyaqeda.
Sengiyaqeda, sengizoqeda yabo.
Wena sokuqeda.
Nami ngiyaqeda.
Onsathe esikoleni.
So uzofila, so njengoba sizo university uzokushiya noma nizo apply to the same university?
Singa apply to the same university, but kuzoya ngokuthi if maybe bamthathe maybe a Pretoria, maybe nabangithathe UJ, we'll make a plan ukuthi sihlangane yabo. I and
Marukhona uzogcina chithela umunye university.
ngiboni angeke.
If you can find out kungaba njani?
One thing about me, I don't tolerate cheating yabo. But for just those words ukuthi my mom would say you fight for what you love, I think ukuthi ngizombekezelele umuntu wami and teach him ukuthi even if maybe kuthiwe izinto zakho ngenza ukuthi ngaziboni yabo, ngifihlele ngingaboni lutho.
What if uvuka ufika ukuthi ufuna isithembu?
Hayi cha angeke ke.
Sesikhona nesithembu samagay.
Mina ngeke ngikhona, kushuthi uzoqhubeka ke naloyo muntu wakho sebamtholela omusha, because mina ngeke.
So when avuye uyakholelwa kulento yama relationship njengoba usufuna ukushada nje? Because in most cases sinokubona imishado yamagay ay last kanako. Thola sekuhlukene khona no, awazi kwenzakalani.
That's why siqale sibancane. I think it's gonna last because most yama relationship wama gay ilaba abadala last yabo amanye. So nje I think izo last yam noSthembiso.
Mama ucabanga abaflopa kuphi?
Oba noSthembiso?
No, bona laba abadala laba bangalasti kwimshado yabo. Mawubheka nje ama relationship wabo.
I think umuntu oflopayo most of the time top.
Yeah.
Should win.
Ungacounti mina. Top. Mina ngivesi
Yeah,
top.
okay.
Yabo.
Yeah.
Because most yama top wama gay ish. Mabebona nje. Bavele bangeni like without even asking. So
Truth about
abacabangi yeah most
yeah.
thola umuntu yathi baningi abantu abangitextayo mina ama top aku relationship la trendayo yabo
Okay.
most bayangitexta but mina because ngithanda ukuthi is obvious ngizo decline
Yeah.
So nina no utho yipi again bukela kuyona like a role model yenu.
Capable.
Like there is in like gay couple
Yeah.
or a
Gay
gay
couples.
ish I forgot in name yabo but yabo the bane dreadlock baqede dreadlock yabo I think bana 28 years badate labo club baku TikTok yabo so mangihleli nayo uvuyo I used to ukumbonisa leyo couple le yabo then ashina ukuthi ufuna ukuthi kube more than this yabo sipush thina sibe more than 28 years.
So when on your side vuyo
on my side
gay couple a role model yakho.
ish ihlukene but le couple and disappointed. It was abo Kelvin obvious. So I bahlukene.
So yini obuyifunda kubona?
Bebe happy ne and bebe proud. Ukuze nami ngibe proud ngosithembiso ukuthi sibe ne content. Sibe proud ngathi bengibona kubo. Bayacabuzana nasestradeni, they don't care ukuthi ubani uthini yabo.
Should nani ngacabuzana musla?
Angazi.
So ubanoze ne idea yokuthi nani nibe public
besisonke sikhuluma ngayo. So uqale wangibuza ngayo then mina ngathi we can go for it.
Yeah.
As long as so inspire amanye ama gay who are in a closet basabuphuma just because of ama comments.
Sometimes maybe kunzima phela ukuphuma kubanye abantu. Because umuntu osuke ebheka izinto eziningi, hate, discrimination yonke lento.
Yeah, it's hard ukuphuma ku closet. Nami bengingacabanga ukuthi ngaphuma but just because of baze bazitholele ekhaya into engenza ukuthi ngiphume yabo. And novuyo naye he's busy telling me ukuthi live a fake life yabo akukho lula for you ukuthi manje ube straight uzothi noma mangabe babakho sekathi ubring I girlfriend senza njani.
Ungenza njani?
Yo ngavele ngimtshela ukuthi go search H&L on TikTok so ibona girlfriend yami. Manje I'm scared kumtshela makuzozibonela.
What if you disown lapho?
It's fine ngizohamba phela I will go ngiyohlala kagokwami yabo.
So gokwakho yena uacceptile lo.
Yeah ba acceptile bonke umuntu ohlala kagokwami acceptile ukuthi ngiyamke. Problem nje upapa.
Then wena vuyo on your side baba kuba ngathi ngifuna abazukulu. Ngifuna ukukhulisa isibongo sami.
Uzobathatha phi?
Ubafuna kuwena nje.
Angisebenzisi nesibongo sakhe boss. Uzobathatha phi?
Niba ingaki kwini?
Like kumama or kubaba?
Kubaba wakho.
C2.
So you are the only one who gay.
Yeah.
Mfana intombazane.
I'm a boy, a firstborn, then secondborn.
Secondborn ntombazane.
So you see ukuthi project kuwe vele.
Ayo mina nginandaba shem yo ukuthi yangidisown nginandaba. As long I got my mother and acceptile sharp.
Kunalento leyo ukuthi ama gays are remove their parts.
Transgender. Yeah, they do. Kuya ukuthi ufila kanjani.
You can go for that.
Nah, yo. I love my thing, shem. Yo, angisiboni shem to be honest. Angisiboni nda yabo.
If uvuya ngathi ikwenze lokho.
Angeke ngize ngivume yabo. angeke shem.
but ngizothi ayenze njani whereby angi-enjoyanga that time nginentombazane ngizoyifunela
yeah
You love it from the back. So nina ayiniphathi kabuhlungu lento ukuthi into yena kuthiwa i-chocolate box.
like obvious makunento kuzoba nama-comments
negative.
yabo.
Yes.
So we don't care, we are proud of ourselves. Asiyazi as i-chocolate box, asiyazi uyabo,
Because we are clean.
we are clean, obvious.
Iqiniso kanti lokhu ukuthi like ama-gays before nizo-have sex kumele nipeyite.
Yeah, bayaduja.
Some
We
of
do it.
abanye like yabo, they don't do it. They're saying you have to eat isn't the green things or pineapple yabo. But yo, mina for me yabo ngisikhulumela mina, I do it if ngizoyenza.
Uyapeyita. Why upeyita?
For me ukuthi ngibe clean yabo.
Now uyapeyita.
Sometimes
Sure.
Oui. Okay.
So man peyitile kula ni enjoy khona.
like you enjoy because good clean, yabo.
Oh.
Like ayikho into ephumayo, but clean so too like yabo. Kube ngathi you are doing it nentombazane.
Niyahamba ama-gay pride.
Mina ngikhe ngaya last year, it was my first time.
How was the feeling?
I was so nervous
Yeah.
because bekugcwele ama-gay amaningi
Yeah.
and others are influencers, yabo.
Yes.
So I was so nervous. And futhi ukuhlangana nalo, yabo, uhlangane nalo,
Kuyashelwana.
obvious.
Mm.
Abanye bafuna ukuhamba nawe kuma after party, obvious.
Oh, okay.
They are asking you out. Ukuthi ngiyakuyiphi after party. So mina bengabi specific ukuthi ngiyakuyiphi after party. But I was saying nje ngiyemaboneni uzozibonela ukuthi uyakuphi. Because nje bengafuna ukuthi angithole.
Yeah.
Abanye bebengithola, then I was like
So when is Thembiso ukazo yini?
Mina angikaze ngiye-on gay pride yabo, but this year
Yeah.
ngizoya nomuntu wami.
Ngizobe ngisha ama-matching outfits. Hlokit. Hlokit. So uzomshada mfethu?
yeah.
You promise him or him, her, sorry.
Uyathanda ukubizwa ngohe?
Not really yabo, but it's fine. I'm
It's
okay with
fine.
that.
Yeah, ngizomshada, obvious.
So kuzoba i-tradition or white wedding?
Both.
Obvious.
Jay, bazosimema.
Nakanjani?
Bazosimema.
Yeah, ku Facebook kunalento le ebike yabakhona. Ke ngathi ukuyibona ukuthi nihlukene.
No.
And then wena bosushutha nabanye abantu.
Yeah, bengishuthe no Fred, obvious. uFred umngani wami.
Kwenzekeni ngiyaphatha buye kuyo.
Kwenzekeni? Besihleli sonke nabo Fred nabo Kelvin, obvious siphuza sonke.
Yeah.
Then sahamba sonke nabo Immaculate. Sahamba sonke saya ku second location, which is la cantina. From second location then savaya sayolala kwabo E1, yabo. Sahlala sonke. Nothing happened.
Yeah.
You believe that? That's a call on you, Sarah.
Yena ngiyikholwa yabo, because he gave me a number oyi-1 yabantu laba bebave yabo. So I texted that guy, which is Kelvin, ngambuza ukuthi what happened laphaya. By that time benginayo uLejoy yabo. So mangimtexta, then I was like free for a call. Then he was like, yeah, ngamfonela ngambuza ukuthi ngisekhaya yabo. Lento ukuthi uvuyo ile wavaya waya in Pretoria for birthday celebration ka Shopapi. Azange ngiphathe grand yabo, because I saw shooting nabo Fred yabo. So ngambuza ukuthi kwenzakaleni, then wangitshela ukuthi they are just friends yabo. So that's why ngenze futhi ukuthi ngamkholwa.
What if yena uprotector ukuthi ningahlukani?
I don't think so.
there was khona la nke nahlukana khona
sele sacabana but azange sahlukana yabo sele I think sahlala a week singakhulumisana
singakhulumisana okay
So-
bangani
so uvuyo yini waya eCrovini yabo
yeah
so then makaya eCrovini the other gay angitexta then asho ukuthi uvuyo he was busy amshela nanani yabo and uvuyo ngesikhathi sithu bangixoxela ukuthi so bekunomunye umuntu like a busy amfuna like alokho amlandelela yabo so manje ngakholwa iset la kalo girl othi bekafuna uvuyo ngixabana naye ngabuza ukuthi so manje wayibheka manje sengibhizi ngitext abantu bakho babhizi bangitshela ukuthi uyabafuna and then khuzini ngale ndaba zakho zamakhove
Bonfunelani vuyo?
ayikuthi bengimfuna like umuntu ne mawuxoxa naye umsmayelela it's like uyamfuna and stuff yabo besixoxa nje nothing more ubheka so
Ngazathembi ngizoserere.
ngisho kanjalo
yeah
Benixoxani wevuyo?
besixoxa nje ukuthi yabona ifuthi it was his or her first time engibona
yeah
yabo besixoxa nje uthi joy you inspire me yaba into ezinjalo then mina I'm that person osmile I always smile shema ngazi ukuthi smile samsenza nabantu uyabo so I always smile sharp
kanti uyachazeka or something
yo kanti echazekile ke enemini angichazekanga
oh
bengismile just because uyabo uyi-fan and I appreciate what you are doing following
Yeah.
me yabo so kanti yena we started to another level
and uyazi ukuthi you dating ngosithembiso
yeah ebefuna nje ukusixabanisa
yes
and yenzakele wayivumela nesithembiso so
and the thing is that after those pictures yabo abayile baziposta yena no Fred people were busy texting me I think more than 50 text abantu bele bangitext abangibuza ukuthi what's going on between I and Uvuyo yabo and naye Uvuyo like he didn't ask me ukuthi ish baby can I post those pictures yabo ngavele nami ngabona like boom and I was angry yabo ngahlala nami ngamkhulumisi then he called me afuna ngisho siswami to ukuthi cela ukuthi ngimphendule yabo manje ngimphendula asho ukuthi uFred is just his friends nanani his friend nanani
yabo sekumele uhambe nayo
that's why and then that day ngiye ngamtext ngathi masambe wangitshela ukuthi yena he's not invited ngithi you are my person so I'm
Yeah.
invited and you are also invited obvious they can't yabo bakhiphe ngaphandle just because wama nami You are
but
my
the thing is
person.
that yabo yena wangitexta like same day which is bekuyi Saturday you can't be texting umuntu on same day uthi asambisi somewhere uthi like mina sengispreparing yabo my mom used to say if you get late invite you must decline ngamtshela
just
ukuthi,
because
"Eish,
okay shoot mina ungifanisa nabo labantu laba
no I didn't say that Sibang.
So kahle la ubani unesikhwele kahle la ngoba ngathi kunesikhwele nje serious nje
hey
ubani unesikhwele phakathi you two guys
say tuna ne yena like ne even if maybe angangibona ngibe nomunye umfana he will be angry yabo or phela abanye abantu banokungishuta maybe if ngime nomunye umuntu then avela ngisindele into le yathi busy nabantu bakho lapha egas lakho so manje I have to explain ukuthi lona ubani kumele ngize ngimuphe nama-terms waleyo muntu loyo ukuthi ambuze ukuthi what's really going on between I and yena lo muntu loyo
usithembisa
uzobona ukuthi bazokuthathela ama-lips wakhe awukamthembi hey awukamthembi ukwenzelani lokho
yayinayo isithembiso sayi chomi zakhe yena ngabafana too much
obvious angithi naye umfana
so makangaba nechomi zamantombazane uzoba right wena
yeah hayi
what if khona bazobe bekuphusha lapho
hayibo usithembiso
yes angeke wazi
hayi
umuntu ulalavuka umuntu yaphenduka
uyavuka futhi
uzolala avuke athola umngane wentombazane babe busy abe nawe futhi
shuthi ngizothola
then after you find out ile
uzombuza because ngiyamthanda so ngizombuza then if uphendula the way aphendula ngakhona uphuma kuye ukuthi uphendula njani uzothula then he will come back obvious. We love each other
so mangenzeka iphutha lenzeke ukuthi one of you guys alala nentombazana lingenzeka lelo phutha lelo mhlawumbe nizimbuye grooving or something like that.
Mina never angazi kuyi.
I don't think ukuthi ngayenzeka.
Like aninayo kahle hle imizwa yamantombazana aninayo.
Hayi mina shem, to be honest,
noma ikhona encane 1%.
1%.
like ukuthi maybe mina ngikazi try to sleep with a girl yabo, so angikazi nga experience as yena experience ile.
Wena like since akazolana nentombazana
Angikazi, but ngakhe yona ngakhisa yabo kuyo and ngadate nayo, try to be that man ebekafuna ukuthi ngibe kuye yabo. Do you know ukuthi maybe amantombazane when they are calling you like bayafuna ukuthi babize with those name na so yo yahluleka.
so wena leyo chance manje ngafika ngayisebenzisa.
To be honest, angazi, and I don't think ukuthi ngayisebenzisa yabo. I'm scared, angikazi. I don't think ukuthi futhi ngizo experience ukuthi ngibe into a girl.
But uvuya yena angakwenza lokho because uyayazi le experience.
Yeah, so mhlawumbe uyasaba yena ukukhuluma. You will never know.
I enjoy his tembiso, so I won't do that.
So you guys sesoyivala le yini nje ningapromisana yona in this relationship?
Mina ngimpromise ukuthi I'll be there every time he needs me, and no matter the circumstances,
Yes.
I won't leave him. Ne. I won't take the decision of breaking up. I won't think that. Yabo. So mina ngiyamthanda inhliziyo yami yonke and ngizohlezi ngimthanda till death do us apart.
Awuyabeka lensizwa.
Ayibekile. Hawu. Asizwe kumama.
Mina I don't have any mates yabo, but I promise ukuthi I'll be his shoulder to cry on yabo. I'll always be there makangidinga yabo. Nangama lowest days wakhe, I'll make sure ukuthi I support him. So make sure ukuthi akaphumi aya outside to get a shoulder to cry on while I'm here for him.
Ubani okwazi ukupheka?
Yena uyakwazi naye yabo, but angiboni ukuthi uyafika kimi.
Okay.
Hayi.
Maybe in future niyibona nihlala ndawonye because ngithi kunale distance phakathi kwenu.
Yeah, and it will be the best day of our life because nje
distance relationship a problem.
And the other thing yabo, yeah, ngiyasibona mina ukuthi sizoke sihlale ndawonye because he used to say ukuthi there will be that time ukuthi azothi when I'm going to see you too, I will get you at home.
Wow. Okay. So kwamanye ama-gay ke ningathini bafowethu umyalezo nje wenu kuma-gay athandanayo nama-gay ayijolelayo ke nje
Nalaba abasafihla futhi.
Mina too kulaba abathandanayo nalaba basafihla, I can say phuma ube umuntu ofuna ukuba uye yabo. Don't live under like be yourself yabo. Let people know ukuthi you know one. Yeah, that all I can say. And to kulaba abajolayo, I can say don't give up on a person yabo. Make sure ukuthi you fight for what you love.
Awuhlalile emagameni kamama.
Mina I'll say be proud of who you are and never let people bagiyekise ukuba gay and act straight or live a fake life. Just be you and be proud. Live your best life nje. Be happy.
Kuyayekeka ukuba gay.
To abanye
They are forced.
They are forced.
Yabo, they are forced by parents.
But mina I don't think
sometimes parents baya, let's say umama uyakusupport, but make no baba akakusupport ubhizinisi baba.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Then man simase ni-2 futhi ukwenza isibani. Yabo.
Mina my mom like she's like that yabo, but not really like that yabo, ukuthi uyamthanda naye umuntu wakhe yabo, because umuntu wakhe ufuna ukusupport lento support umuntu wakhe, but when we are together shem
Bizugela.
edlala into yakhe.
Nami act straight manginobaba bami.
Oh.
Mangiyakubaba bami nje ngi-actor straight or show baba ndinthanga. Mnandi.
But angeke you can't wait for that suku ozomtshela ngalo ukuthi wena ugay.
Ngeke ngimtshele ngifuna azifindele out.
Yo. Be ready lapho tata. Ungamlwisi, be ready. Just be ready.
Okay wangitshela something wathi angisho unginika imali ye maintenance. So wathi kimi ngizokunika imali ye maintenance if I find you ukuthi ugay, because there was this day mina no aunt wami sike saxabana yabo, and my aunt was drunk. Saxabana, then waya kubaba wamtshela ukuthi mina ngithandana nabafana yabo. Sharp ubaba wami wangibiza the following day, wangibiza wathi is it true that wena ulala nabafana or uthandana nabafana? Ngathi it's not true, ngazikhalisa bandla yo. Ngazikhalisa what are you gay na? Ngithi I'm not gay. Athi mfana if you are gay nje,
yeah,
ngizokunika imali yakho ye maintenance njalo, ngeke ngithengele izinto ezi extra. Ngathi okay, ngazihambela ngikhala bandla. Ngithi baba mjo
Tata akavuyo, be ready. And ungamncishi imali please. Ile ndlela yiyo.
Yeah.
Ayi ngicabanga ukuthi sivale khona la.
Yeah. Ngaphandle makukhona nisafuna ukusho, siyabonga nje ukuthi nize.
And futhi siyabonga and we appreciate the support esinikwayo ngama followers wethu.
Yeah.
They must keep on following us asihlukananga bandla. To those who believed that we sihlukene asihlukananga i-distance nje.
Distance.
And for clarify ama rumors, we would like to say ukuthi guys, we are really dating yabo. Abanye abantu they think our thing is the content. Yeah. So okay, that's the thing is also we would like to say ukuthi thanks for your hospitality.
Yeah.
Oh, hayi imepho. Kusemepho la
Hlezi kunje. Bafethu.
Yeah, simukela wonke umuntu. Socela nishela ama socials wenu. Then sozovala ke manje.
Yeah.
Because ngiyabona sowufuna ukuvala.
Siyenze njani?
Share ama socials wenu ukuthi
Yeah.
like on
share
Instagram
your
or
socials.
TikTok nobani.
Ku TikTok we are LNH, obvious. Lijoy and
LNH.
Hlosho. So it's LNH, you'll get us there. Then ku Facebook we do have the account. I think it's Vuyo and Hlosho. Yeah, it's Vuyo and Hlosho, but she posted on my account. So what's mine is it's hers. So
Okay. Thank you for coming, Bafethu. Since last year ngikhuluma nani.
yeah.
Ngikhuluma noVuyo since last year. Nokungibekezelela nje because ngithatha isikhathi. Ubona umuntu
expect uJenewa.
Awu kanti utheni?
Kodwa ngicine sengifikile.
Yeah.
Ngifuna mina noma sengicabanga ukuthatha isiqhumbo sokuthi lihlukane nibuye la. Ngizosichazela ukuthi who is wrong, who is right, ubani onedrama, ubani ofike lapho ukuze kuhlukane. Ngifuna nibuye la.
Obviously ngizobe ngiright mina.
Cha.
Bafethu, we are still Mepo Media. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe the video. Siyabonga bafethu.
Thank you.